my name is Anvi. Today we are learning the seasons. We're doing a painting activity about seasons. We have 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter. Let's start the craft with spring season. Right now we're in spring season. During springtime, we see flowers bloom. Also in spring, the plants start growing. Now I'm doing cherry blossom on this tree. This is white in color. This is cool. I'm done, so I'm gonna put pink. Whoa! I got some more paint. I have lots of pink. Did you like my cherry blossom? Let's go to the next season. Now let's do the summer craft. Summer is my favorite. So in summer I go to the beach and play ball or there. And I go lots of places. So I'm painting green for summer. So I'm gonna put my finger in there. That's mixed color. Dot. 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 I need lots of green, like this much. Dot. 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 I'm making lots of green. Look at this. I think I'm done. Now I wash my hands again. Hope you like my summer craft. It's all green. It's some bumpy there. It will grow dry sometimes. Give me another tree. Now we're doing fall craft. We see colorful leaves during fall. I see some leaves falling down, and I jump like boom, boom. I'm putting some yellow, orange, red, and brown. Try red. This is a very sticky one. It's like sticky. Let me put some first. I got my brown. So I'm gonna put actually like this. I think I'm done. Let me go and wash my hands again. again one more time. Bye-bye. Hope you like my fall tree. Let's do the next craft named Winter. It snows in my place a lot and we play outside every time, running. Who knows that stuff? Do it snows in your place? I don't know if it snows everywhere. In winter there's no trees. I don't know what to put. Still I can put snow. Snow, and snow. I just colors like snow. Look at this big snow. Snow. Like snow. Look at my snow tree. I like actually some snowmans. Shine. Look at the snowman. Now I need some orange for making a cat. So let me get this orange. Now my snowman. Oh, I need some eyes. Now, did you like my craft? I'll make one more. Now, I'll make eyes. Look at my snowmans in the winter craft. These crafts, summer, spring, fall, winter. Did you like watching my video? Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it.